Hello to all of you. I welcome you all to my channel. Today we will be learning about logic gates. Now, let me tell you one thing. Logic gate is a wide chapter and this cannot be done in one video. So I have divided this chapter logic gates in several parts. In this part we will be learning what is the meaning of logic, what is the meaning of gate, then logic levels, logic system concept. For example, we have positive logic concept and negative logic concept, and we will also deal with several examples to clear up the concept of positive logic and negative logic. Now, let us start with the very basic concept, that is, what is a logic and what is a gate. As you can see on the screen, the technical definition of logic and technical definition of gate. Logic means when a conclusion is drawn by observing certain set of patterns is called as logic. And gate means it's a device which either permits or stops certain things to flow through it. Here, in this context of digital electronics, certain things to flow means we are referring to electric current. So, a gate is a device which either permits or stops electric current to flow through it. Let me clarify the concept of logic further. Logic means, for example, see, you are given with certain sentences, and based on your knowledge which you have to say whether the given sentences are either valid or invalid, are either true or false. That is called as logic. Now, defining logic gate altogether in technical term is nothing but it's a smallest circuit that are designed to perform basic logical operation. Again, I will repeat, the technical definition for logic gate is the smallest circuit that is designed to perform basic logical operation. In this topic of logic levels, we will learn what is the meaning of logic high and what is the meaning of logic low. In digital electronics, we have only two logic level. One is high and another is low. Anything whose value is high, again I will repeat, anything whose value is high is called as logic high in the concept of digital electronics, and anything whose value is low is called as logic low. Here, let us understand logic high and logic low through an example. Below you can see that I have compared two voltage. One is 5 volts and another is 2 volts. Now, 5 volt is greater than 2 volts. This is absolutely true. Hence, let me say that 5 volt is a logic high and 2 volt is a logic low. I hope this is clear to you when to use the term logic high and when to use the term logic low. In logic system, we have two main concepts. We have positive logic and we have negative logic. In positive logic, for example, I have taken the concept of 5 volts and 2 volts. Here, when I am saying 5 volts is greater than 2 volts, which is absolutely true, I will say that 5 volt is a logic high and 2 volt is a logic low. When you state in this way, this is called as positive logic concept. Now let us see about the negative logic concept. Here we know that 5 volt and 2 volt. Among these two, 5 volt is higher than 2 volts. But what we will say is 5 volt is a logic low and 2 volt is a logic high. We are using the term low for high volt and we are using the term high for low volt. Doing this complete concept comes under negative logic. Again, I will repeat. When I say 5 volt is greater than 2 volt, 5 is considered as logic high, 2 is considered as logic low. This comes under positive logic concept. Here, I am comparing 5 and 2 volt, but I am saying 5 is logic low compared to 2 volt. 2 volt is a logic high. This comes under negative logic concept. Here is an example to elaborately explain about positive logic and negative logic concept. Now see on the left hand side of the screen. Here under positive logic concept, I have given 3 examples to make the concept much more clear. In the first example, I am comparing 5 volt and 0 volts. And I am saying 5 volt is higher and 0 is low. In the second example, I am saying 2.5 voltage is higher than 2 volts. In the third example, what I am saying is 5 volt is high and minus 5 is low, which is actually true. So these comes under positive logic. This is just a vice versa case or a negative or a complement case in negative logic. In negative logic, what we are saying is we actually know phi is greater than 0, but we are saying phi is logic low, 0 is logic high. Similarly, let us go for the second example. In the second example, we are saying 2.5 volt is low and 2 volt is high. But we actually know 2.5 volt is higher than 2 volt, but we are stating in a way that 2.5 volt is low and 2 volt is logic high. Similarly, let us go for the third example. Here we are saying 5 volt is logic low and minus 5 volt is logic high. We are considering it in this way, which is actually not true. But in negative logic, we use this concept. I hope this is clear to you. If you have any doubt, please write to me in the comment box and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, which is Electronics Engineering. Thank you and have a nice day.